I bought one of these units to weatherproof my extension cord when I use an extra long extension cord, and this covers the plugs and then makes it weatherproof. I couldn't get it to work properly, but eventually I resolved the issue. Watch the rest of this video, see what I did, and now it works well. And I realized that not all plugs, male, female, fits in here. So the setup that I had, with some of the combinations that I had, female and male, did not work in here. So I had to go and buy different sockets and plugs. But you've got to be careful looking at this. The one plug is quite a bit higher than the next one, and plugs are not the same width either. So the combination, you've got to really work out which one goes with what. I found that the older plugs work better. Being the solid pin, they're much stronger and they're smaller. The newer plugs tend to be a lot bigger, and also with these sockets, I found from a lot of shops the socket is much thicker, that it does not fit in here. So one thing, do your homework. When you buy this, before you go camping and using it, make sure that your extension cords fit in here. If not, rig up the correct things so when you go camping that you know you can protect your cable. There, it does not close. That one closes, but you can still feel there's a bit of tension in there. With this one, much better. Unit seals easy. Not closing at all. Very good idea, but just make sure that your extension connections fits in here before you go out camping.